If you're like me, you've Googled, you've read endless blogs, and watched countless videos to find the best side hustles for you. So I hope that this will be your last stop, because today we're going to jump right into the best side hustles that I've found after trying over 30 different ones. I have a full-time 9 to 5, but I personally do these side hustles on my couch, in my spare time, with my laptop, my phone, and some headphones. And you can do the same and make $1,000 to $1,500 or more each month. Welcome to the channel where I help you make and manage money in the most efficient way. We're going to get started, and first I'll share that all these side hustles are remote, require no driving, no customer interaction, have a flexible schedule, and cost nothing to start. Also, I will share how much you can make and how much time they take. So let's go. First up at number 4 is Appen. I have been with Appen since 2019, and Appen is an Australian-based, publicly traded data company that provides or improves data used for the development of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So basically, Appen is a platform where you can sign up to complete projects for some of the world's largest and most well-known tech companies. You can find projects in the areas of social media, data collection, linguistics, and more. Appen pays either by the hour or by the task. You can expect to make anywhere from $10 an hour to $25 an hour based on the project. You typically can work anywhere from 5, 10 to 20 hours a week and can make either a few $100 or thousands of dollars a month depending on the project. Now, you might say that this platform sounds great. Why is it number 4? The reason is that the platform has the potential of being very profitable, but it does have some areas that can be improved, such as the qualification process and the availability of tasks. But I still use it and stand by it as a good side hustle. Check out a full tutorial that I have where I go into much more detail about how to apply, how to get paid, and the pros and cons of the platform that others won't tell you about. Next up is UserTesting. This is an on-demand human insight platform where you test websites and apps to give feedback to major technology companies. So basically, you are paid for your thoughts. Each test typically pays you $10, but you also have the chance to make more money by doing a live conversation. For live conversations, you can make $30 for 30 minutes, $60 for 60 minutes, and $90 for 90 minutes. They have also recently added additional ways to make more money for less than 5 minutes of your time. So the way that it works is you answer screener questions for each test to see if you qualify. These are usually simple and straightforward questions that take seconds to answer, so even if you don't pass the screener, it's not a major waste of time. So I have been with UserTesting since 2018, and I love it because there are several tests that I have done in 5 minutes or less and made $10. Not $10 an hour, but $10 for 5, 10, or 20 minutes of my time. So I will show you quickly my dashboard of tests that I've been paid for. So this is just the first page of tests that I've been paid for. So that's easily a few $100, and I've made thousands from the platform, and so can you. I typically make about $300 a month on UserTesting from just spending 20 to 30 minutes of my day. I hope to do a full tutorial and review with tips and tricks for UserTesting, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Now I want to share with you a bonus. This is where the point 5 comes in. Now, I love UserTesting, but because it is so popular, there is a chance that you might apply and it could take a while before you get accepted, or you may have to apply more than once. Don't worry though, I got you. Another great side hustle to test apps and websites that I've used is called Validity. Now, this one is similar to user testing, but the difference is that after you sign up, the tests are emailed to you and they give you a link to take the screener questions. You can do the test on your computer or on their app. So if you're waiting to get started on user testing and you're looking for a backup, then definitely check this one out. Now, coming in at number 2 is an app called Dscout. Dscout is a market research company based in Chicago where you complete questionnaires, diaries, and video interviews to provide feedback for, you guessed it, major technology companies. Now, similar to user testing, you'll have to answer screener questions and then they invite you to the mission if you qualify. The great part about Dscout that makes it way better than other similar apps and sites is that the payouts are significantly higher, and depending on the project, you can make anywhere from $25 to $300 for the mission. They also give you anywhere from a few days or weeks to finish the mission, so it works around your schedule. What makes Dscout stand out is that you can be working multiple missions at a time, so there's opportunity to make much more money than I do. I've been using Dscout since 2020 and I average $200 a month, but if I had more time, that number would be significantly higher. They also have smaller missions that can take 2 to 5 to 10 minutes that can instantly pay you $1, $2, or $5, and I mean instantly, within 1 to 2 minutes of completion. I have literally spent 30 minutes to an hour on the weekends watching TV and completing these smaller missions and made $30 to $50. The app is available on Android and iOS, so check it out. Now, finally, at number 1 is Telus International. Telus International is a customer experience innovator that designs, builds, and delivers next-generation digital solutions to enhance the customer experience for global and disruptive brands, aka, say it with me, major technology companies. So these are major brands such as Google, Apple, Salesforce, Cisco, and others that you are using right now. Telus offers several different jobs, and each one in one form or another will be working to improve artificial intelligence, search engines, and social media. I have been with Telus International for over 2 years, and I've done several different projects and averaged $300 to $500 a month depending on the job. But again, that amount is limited by my time, so you can make significantly more, even up to $1,000 a month depending on the project and your available time. Now, I've got a full tutorial and overview of Telus International with info on how to apply and the jobs I recommend, so definitely check that out. So those are my absolute best side hustles that I do in my spare time on my couch while working a 9 to 5. So check them out if you haven't yet, and if you have found value from this content, then do me a favor, like, subscribe, and use the links in the description to support the channel.